Launchers, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to connect ShipStation to your LaunchCart store. So on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down to the App Store. It's right under Superpowers. The App Store, you're going to click on App Store. And then currently, ShipStation is in the second row. So we're going to scroll down. And you're going to see ShipStation over here on the right. You can see it's disabled currently. I'm going to click Enable. And when I click Enable, it takes me to a page where we have to add an API key and an API secret. And then over here, it shows you instructions on how to get that information. So I'm logged into my ShipStation account right here, and I want you to know that we are not listed right here yet. Hopefully someday we're not listed here right yet. So when you log into your ShipStation account, on the top right, go to the settings wheel. And once you get to the settings wheel, it'll bring up a different screen. And over here on the top left, we're going to click on account. And then once we click on account, we're going to click on API settings. And I have my keys listed right here. You might have to regenerate or generate some keys. And that's just as simple as copying and pasting the key, right? And then copying and pasting the secret. And we'll put the secret there, and then we would update. Now notice I accidentally copied a space and it recognized that. So I have to put the cursor there and I'll hit delete back, and you can see now it's okay. I can hit update and I can connect. So now I do that. I'm going to connect, and now it's connected. Now what happens when we connect, all the orders come in, and you click on the orders tab, you're going to see all the orders right here. Okay, and these are under the manual orders tab, and this is where you're going to be able to set up your views and your labels. And then once you actually ship labels, they will show up here. So it works perfectly, very, very simple, and it should have no problems connecting and having all your orders shipped from LaunchCart to your ShipStation account. I hope this was helpful, and if you need further support, just go to launchcart.com and click the support button on the top right or the bottom, wherever it is, and we'll get you some help. Until then, do we do. Wake up every day with an attitude of gratitude and tell somebody you love them. Thanks.